Hello, welcome back to people who've been here before, and hello and welcome to those who are joining us for the first time. We're still doing a lot of waiting. The legal process takes so long. So, in the meantime, we thought we'd share with you some of the work we've done previously. The first set of clips are all to do with the kitchen that we've renovated in this house. And then we've got a little treat for you as we go outside and we'll show you the various stages of renovating the old barn that belongs to this house. These are the days before we thought to make video recordings, so please do indulge. Lots of still images. It was so satisfying to be able to renovate that barn and bring it back to life, breathe new energy into it. The tin roof looks really good, I think. I'm really inclined to think that will be what looks good on the cowshed. Your thoughts? Put them in the comments. Love to hear from you. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time.